How to use Macy's gift card online. So if you want to use your Macy's gift card online, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Macy's. Now you need to just go with www.macys.com and it will take you to the official website, and you need to log in or sign into your account. And after that, you just need to simply select the items and add it to the cart or the bag. So select the size and then go with add to bag. Now you need to just go with view bag and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now here on the right side, you will have the promo code, right? So you just need to simply go with your promo code or the gift card section. You will have that section while proceeding to checkout. So you just need to simply enter that and you can apply. And once you've applied, then your price will be discounted and you can proceed to checkout. So that's how you can use your Macy's gift card or your promo code on your gift card. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.